take you through installing your hard drive. At the bottom of the DVR, you'll find 4 screws. So we're going to remove those 4 screws first. Making sure to keep them aside as we're going to use them again. Close the machine up. I'll flip the machine over. Take the top cover off, exposing the insides of the machine. Now use all your included cabling. It comes with a SATA cable. Comes with a power connector cable. Now we're going to get your hard drive. Install the hard drive screws temporarily until you can fasten it in the machine. Now set the hard drive in place. You will now secure the screws that you have temporarily installed on the hard drive earlier. We'll now connect the SATA data cable as well as the power cable to the hard drive. We'll now install the cover back onto the DVR. Install the 4 screws. Hard drive has been installed.